Okay, according to the manual, we need to add the same weight of sugar, the fine sugar here. Yeah, place it on 20, 20. Okay. Let me explain. If we directly pour the powder into the hard part, it will get together. It will not dissolve evenly. But according to the manual on package, the labeling, it says we need to add the same weight of sugar. Okay, just place it here and zero it. Zero it.
Zero.
Okay, then pour the same. A little bit more is okay. Don't worry, don't worry. It will not affect the sweetness. 20, 20. Okay. 20. Okay, it's okay. 21.4, 21.0. Okay, and mix it well. Mix it evenly. Yeah, and later we pour into the hot water. It can be distributed evenly. Yeah. Yep. 我从人就开始加。Yeah, you can pour it down slowly, slowly.
Should I mix? 就搅边搅。
Slow, a little bit slow, slow. Yeah.
往那边，这样下去了。